Lesson Arithmetic Progression, class 10th, exercise 5.3. In the 7th question, find the sum of first 22 terms. We need to find the sum of first 22 terms. Yes, 22 we need to find. How much? N is equal to 22. Okay. Of an AP in which D is equal to 7, whatever given, write it first. And the 22nd term is 149. Since directly we cannot apply the SN formula because A is not given here. A is not given. So using AN formula, we can find out the A. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, where A22 is given. A22 also we can say it as A plus 21 D, which is equal to 141. Applying this formula only. Okay, shortly I written. So D we know, D value is 7. A plus 21 into 7 is equal to 149. So A is equal to 149 minus 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 147. So A is equal to 2. We got the A value. Apply the SN formula. N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Alright. Okay. Now, N is nothing but 22 divided by 2. 2A is 2 plus N 22 minus 1 D. D we have 7. 2 1s are 2, 11s are 2 2s are 4. 22 minus 1 is 21. 21 into 7s are is 147. So 11 into 151. Multiply and write the answer. Okay. Now come to the 8th question. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. Find the sum of first 51 terms. That is, yes, 51 is equal to how much? N is equal to 51 of an AP whose second and third terms are third and the third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Okay. No, now A is not given, D is not given, but A2 and A3 is given. We know A2 is nothing but A plus D is equal to 4. Applying the AN formula, A plus N minus 1 into D, A plus N minus 1 into. So N is 2, 2 minus 1, 1 D, A plus D. That's what I written, A plus D. This is the one equation. We have one more equation, that is A plus 3D is given, 3 is given. We're writing 2D. Okay, we got two equation. Apply the the elimination method or the substitution method. A and get cancelled. D minus 2D, that is the minus D, that is minus 4. So D is equal to 4. Substitute D is equal to 4. Substitute D is equal to 4 in equation 1. Equation 1 is A plus D is equal to 14. So D is nothing but 4. A is equal to 14. The plus 4 when carried, others are minus 4, that is 10. A is equal to 10. We got the D value, A value, and we know N. Find out the S51. S51. Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. N is nothing but 51 by 2. 2 into A is nothing but 10 plus 51 minus 1 into D. What is D? D is equal to 4. Substitute the value. Substituted already. Simplify it, you'll get the answer. Okay. Let's go for the next problem, 9th problem. If the sum of 7 terms of an AP is 49, if the sum of 7 terms of an AP is S7 is equal to 49, and that of 17 terms is S17 is equal to 289. Find the sum of first n terms. Sum of Sn we have to find out here. What is Sn? Look at the really peculiar, different problem. A is not given, D is not given, N is not given. They asked us to find the sum first n terms, but the sum of 7 terms is given, sum of the 17 terms are given. Let us apply the formula S7, that is nothing but n by 2 to Sn formula I am applying. N minus 1 into D is equal to 49. Hope you are understanding. Here also n by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D I'm trying to make equal marks below to 89. So n we know 7 by 2. 2a we do not know. N is again 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 49. Okay. Now the 7 by 2 all into the when carried to other side. 2a 7 minus 1 is 6d. It will get reciprocal. 7 by 2 when moves other side will become 2 by 7. So we can simplify. 2 ones are 2, 7 ones are 7 sevens are 7 twos are 14. 2a plus 60 is equal to 14. We get one equation here. Okay, all right. Let us come to this. N is nothing but 17 by 2. 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d is equal to 289. Right. Now 2a plus 17 minus 1 is 16d. 289, the 17 by 2 will be get reciprocal. 17 ones are 17 17s are 289. Okay, 2a plus 16d is equal to 17 twos are 34. We got another equation. Simplify this equation, you get the values of a and d. So I'll write here 2a plus 16d is equal to 34. By subtracting that is minus 10d is equal to 34 minus 14 is 20. Okay, d is equal to, that's a minus 20, sorry, minus 20 divided by minus 10, that is 2. 10 ones are 10 twos are minus get cancelled. So plus d value is equal to, when substitute in d value you will get the 2a plus 6 into 2 is equal to 14. So a is equal to 14. 6 to 2 divided by 2, that is a is equal to 1. Shortly simplified. Using this a and d value, Sn we have to find out. Sn is nothing but n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. N as it is n only we have to keep. Okay. 2a is nothing but 1. 2 n we don't know, n only. D is nothing but 2. So 2 into n, 2n, 2 into 1 2 minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. N by 2 into 2n, further 2 get cancelled. N into n square will remain. The answer is n square. Okay, let us come for the next problem. Very important also. Show that a1 comma a2 comma a3 just as a form an ap where an defined as a below. See, an is equal to 3 plus 4n is given. So we need to find a1, a2, a3. Very easy. First find out a1, 3 plus wherever the n we have to substitute 1, 4 into 1. So okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 3, 7, a2. Let us apply with the same. 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 11. Now let us come for the a3. 3 plus 4 into 3s are, instead of n, substituting 3, 4 is a 12, 12 plus 3, it's a 15. Now, whether this in a a1, a2, a3 is in a ap, we have to find out. Let us find out d. a2 minus a1, that is 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. Okay. Next, one more time, a3 minus a2, 15 minus 11, 4. These are equal. If these are, since these are equal, this is in a AP. Therefore, A1, A2, A3 is in a form of AP. If it is so, also find sum of first n terms. Now, what is the A? A is 7. What is Z? D is 4. Substitute sum of first n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is n only. Okay. Simplify, you'll get the answer. Okay. Proceeding, the 12th question, find the sum of first 40 positive integer. Very important, this kind of problem. Okay. Very important. Whether this or this. Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. Which are divisible, we have to find out the 40 positive integers, sum of the 40 positive, but we have a condition which should be divisible by 6. So which is the first number which is divisible by 6? 6 itself. 12, 18, 24, dash 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 dash. We need the 40 multiples. That means the 40th multiple will be 6 into the 240. The number 240. Now we need to find out the sum of this up to 240. Okay. So A is equal to 6. D is equal to 12 minus 6. That is 6 itself. N, they have said 40. Apply the formula S and N by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We can apply a plus a n formula also, since first and last number we know. Okay, since we have written this, we'll follow by this method only. N is nothing but 40 by 2. 2a, 2 into 6 plus n is nothing but 40. 40 minus 1 and d is 6. 40 by 2, 20. 2 6 are 12. 39 into 6. 39 into 6 9s are 54. 18 23 234. Okay, 20 into 246. So what will happen? 0 as it's 2 6 are 12. 1 2 4s are 8 9. 2 2s are 4. 4920 is the answer. We can try it with another formula, that is n by 2. A plus n, directly we will apply the formula. N is nothing but 40 by 2. A is the first term 6 and the last term is 240. L also we can consider. 220s are 2 into 6 into 6 plus 240, 246. 20 into 246. So 2 6 12. 1 2 4 8 9 to the 4. This is again 4920. You will get the same answer whether this method or this method, any method. Okay. Now find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. So first 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, dash dash dash. 15th multiples, that is 120. We need to find the sum of this. Okay. Again apply A is equal to 8, D is equal to 8, N is equal to 15, and Sn, 15 is equal to how much? Sum of that. Okay. You can do it yourself. Next come for the 14th question. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Odd number we need between 0 to 50. Which is the first odd number? 1. The next 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 dot 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 dot. Last is the 50. Is the even or odd? Odd. No, it's not odd. It's a even. So 1 less than 49. Find out the Sn. A is given, D is given. Okay, fine. This kind of problems very important. Well, we have completed this lesson. Okay, the rest problem will be working out yourself, since the application level of questions are being deleted from the portion Sn application level. I'm not talking about the AN. Sn, some related problems of the application level. Okay, bye.